So hello guys, welcome to Jarhead Pro Gaming and here we are. We meet again in Free Fire and we are playing rank game with my friends. So let's start bro. Yeah. So guys, please watch this video till the end and even we don't know what will happen. Booyah or not. So let's watch that video. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give us comments about how you want next videos to be. So let's. What am I hardworking? I'm not hardworking. I just need internet and the game. That's it. And skills. Ooh, see the leaderboard, guys. 421 badges. Nope, no. Okay, guys, it's purgatory. Where shall we land? Where shall we land? Yeah, okay. But one thing I should tell you, there will be people in crossroads. Awesome. Brasila, Ninja, no bro. You'll get wiped out instant. No, not Moat House. No, we'll go to crossroads. Yeah, we'll get wiped out in an instant. Let's land. Only nobody is there here. Nobody is there. N- Yeah. So guys, let's loot before anyone comes. Guys, if anybody gets MP40 or Scar, please give me. Yeah. Which gun is this? I got an M10. Permanent. Wow. I'll give to Ninja. Wait, I'll search some other gun. AK? Bro, I don't think you should do the mystery shop. It's not that good. Ooh, man, give me something. Don't loot everything. I'm coming. Yeah, I'm coming. I got MP40 here. Ninja, come bro. I have marked M10. Yeah, I'm coming. I've marked M10 for Ninja. I got Scar here. I got Scar. Guys, I need a vest. Anybody have vest? Anybody vest? Anybody's anybody see a vest? Did anybody see a vest, guys? Come on. I got a level 2 vest. Yeah, you pick it up. No. Bro, you take some good gun. Ooh, what was that? Okay. Guy, give me, bro. I have a vest level 3 and helmet level 3. I upgraded. No, I don't have skin. Geisha, I don't have. I have another account. Bro, give me bag level 2. If you get bag level 2 pin, please. Wow, we are alone in Crossroads. That is quite awesome. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We'll camp if the zone is not okay. I need a MP40 ammo, guys, and a bag. MP40 ammo, anybody? Okay, okay, no problem. No, no, no. I have parang. Anybody find anything? Bro, don't waste all of your money. Hey, oh, okay. It's Ninja, I think so. Hey, where is No Mercy going? No, I dropped it. I dropped AK. Yeah, yeah, I need. I'm coming, I'm coming. Oh, yeah, no problem. Yeah, I'm coming, I'm coming. I have 80, bro. I don't have ammo. I don't have bag. I don't have proper bag. That's it. I can't carry anymore. I need a bag. I have level 1 bag. I have level 1 bag. I need level 2. Hey, we haven't. Okay, bro, come, we'll loot properly here. Don't go far. Wait, I'll come. I know one more place where we can get loot. Come with me. Okay, stay where you are. I'll come. I'll come. I'll come. Just 2 minutes. 2 minutes. I'm coming. I need a bag level 2. Bag level 2. No MP40 here. Bag level 2. Hey, anybody needs Thompson? Thompson. I got a glue wall finally. AR is, bro. Hey, no, don't go to Marble Works, guys. Okay, anyways, I can't tell you. Coming, give it to Ninja. Ninja. Already first zone, only 28 alive, guys. I'm coming, I'm coming. Are you swimming? Are you guys swimming? Oh, you're there. Okay, okay. Hey, let's go here. Hey, give me a level 2 bag, guys. I see a airdrop front. I don't have medkit. Wow. 11. Anybody west level 2? There's a west level 2 near me. I don't have a medkit, bro. Yeah, yeah, I'll mark it. It's there. Wait, wait, wait. It's here, west level 2. In this tower. Come fast because the zone. Haha. Okay, wait. I'm marking west level 2. Oh no, it's not. Here, here, here. No mercy. Here. Hey, why are you shooting? Why are you shooting? Don't shoot, don't shoot. Bro, I think somebody looted the airdrop in front. It was there, just front. No, 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 no. Yeah, so there is a squad, I think so. Oh, they're coming, they're coming, they're coming, they're coming. Careful, careful. Oh, revive fast. Ah, super. Revive him, revive him. Oh, there. There, he's running, he's running, he's running. Hey, there will be a guy, bro. That side. Pakka. Yeah, I'm coming. Oh, he died. Ah, he got. Hey, there's no bag level 2, girl. Oh, no. The scar is mine, scar is mine. Give me scar, give me scar, give me scar. Ah, sorry, I didn't see. Bro, let's go to the airship. There you'll get at least bag or what, so whatever. It dropped. Oh, it's in Brasilia, bro. I think someone will be there. Good, but who knows? In Brasilia, some guy may be pointing AWM. Okay, there is sniper ammo. Glue wall. Oh, heck lot of glue walls. MP5, UMP, M4A1. Sniper ammo. No. There's car 98. I need. Yeah. We are in Brasilia, guys, so be careful, be careful. I got a 4x scope. Loot. Okay, some guy has a bounty, but it is silencer. It's not. Okay, I got a bipod finally. Where is the bipod? Take it. Guys, if you get a level 2 bag, please give me. House, yes. There was a squad vibe, definitely. No, four. Some guys are AWM. Wait for him. He's going at ninja. Where is that guy? Yeah, I know. Go top. Hey guys, come near me. Somebody. I am alone. Come here. Come near me. Don't shoot. Where are they? Outside. There. Get ready. Wait. Let's wait in this house. Let's wait. Kimte, careful. Okay. He's there. He's running away. Oh, two guys. Whole squad. Come on inside. Come inside the house. We'll go inside the big house, yaar. I'm telling you. Oh. I'm getting hit. I'm getting hit. Oh. Wait, I'm coming. I knocked the guy. Kill. Got a kill. I'm coming. Kill. I'm coming. Come, let's revive. We did a squad wipe, guys. Awesome. Okay, there's an M187. M187. Hey, I need SMG. I need SMG, guys. I need SMG, please. AWM there. AWM. Here, in this. What loot, bro? AWM. See there. I need. Wait, wait. Not. Hey, give me SMG. Give me SMG. Give me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, 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 okay. Careful, careful. Inside, inside the house. Inside the house. Get inside. Yeah. Okay, I think there's just another squad. We'll win this one. Oh, awesome. What did he have? Scar and MP40. Same as mine. I need medkits. Oh, I have. I have five. Okay, no problem. Okay, wait. Kim. Ninja is running. Ninja, what is Ninja doing? See, he's outside. Even yeah, yeah. Even I'm running. Get in this house. This house. Hey, I think some. Oh, oh. AWM. AWM. Oh, shit, 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 shit. Revive, revive, revive. Fast, fast. Okay, I saw the guys. Oh shit. I saw the guys. Yeah. There, one guy is coming, one guy is coming, one guy is coming. Oh, behind. Guy, one guy is behind. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, shit. Yeah, wow. That was almost, we had won it. We had won it almost. It's okay, guys. It's okay. We did an awesome, awesome job. Oh, Kim Tate, three kills. Awesome. No problem. No problem, guys. This was one hell of a match. Awesome match. So, guys, if you liked want more videos like this, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and definitely leave comments about how you want next videos to be. So, bye, guys. Meet you in the next video.